Well, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to AppTech's channel, a pioneering fintech company powering frictionless commerce. And joining to discuss some recent acquisitions, the growth of the business, and what we can kind of expect going into the latter half of the year. Luke, the CEO, is always welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Good morning. How are we doing?
Living the dream, and a pleasure to get you on. So I think the first thing I want to focus on here is something we discussed about your acquisition of Finzio and kind of the clients that came with it. Do you want to just kind of give us the high level and what it means for AppTech?
Absolutely. So, as AppTech is striving to be the leader in specialty payments, people actually ask me, well, what is specialty payments? And specialty payments is basically AppTech focusing on gaps. You have all these merchant service programs provided by the banks. You have gizmos offered by Toast and Square and many other things. But a lot of these things have left gaps in the industry, and this is why we acquired this company called Finzio. Finzio and its suite of products have helped AppTech basically have a back end so we can create custom solutions for merchants rather than a one platform fits all. In today's market, it's very, very competitive, and you cannot just have one way of doing things. You've got to be diverse, and you got to be open to what the customer needs are so they can provide the seamless payment abilities to what their customers are trying to get, which is ultimately saving money, paying on time, getting paid on time, and opening the doors to other marketing methods so they can make more money through payments.
Yeah, and in light of that, do you also want to talk about your BaaS pilot program here, your banking as a service, and that suite of what you're kind of playing in?
So our banking as a service, our BaaS program is coming along very efficiently right now. We have several customers that are requiring banking as a service, and really, this is providing some of these institutions and regional banks and more importantly, credit unions the ability to offer extended banking services. So those services are available to their customers. It helps retain customers. It helps them be competitive with some of the powerful technology out there. But more importantly, it creates savings and eliminates archaic software that has been in the industry for a very long time. It's not an easy task to just snap your fingers and plug and play. There is a lot of customization on it. There's a lot of engineers involved, but it's rolling out. It's exciting, and more importantly, it's effective.
Now, finally here, just what should investors focus on? What are you guys paying attention to in the latter half of the year when we're kind of just finishing up 2024 with AppTech?
So for the last couple of years, AppTech has been running and gunning, building out, getting our clients to a point where we can actually execute on what they need for their systems, whether it's the airports that we've been working with, whether it's the credit unions, whether it's our loan programs. Finally, with the acquisition of Finzio and its suite of products, we are at a point where we are boarding, integrating, and licensing. The development work on our side is done. Integrating our technology with our customers, boarding those relationships, and licensing those relationships with our powerful technology and patents is where we're at. So really, the fourth quarter for this year, AppTech is focused on complete production and the revenues of that production coming to light in a significant way.
On that note, I definitely appreciate all the insight as we pass it off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you think in that comment section, and consider subscribing as Catalyst News at the Wire like this. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on that note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.